When precision drilling is needed for DIY projects, a benchtop drill press is essential. These tools excel at boring accurate holes in wood, metal, and more, enhancing safety and accuracy in the workshop. Instead of awkwardly holding materials, users can securely clamp them to the drill press's worktable. Additionally, these versatile machines can assist with sanding and grinding tasks. Some models called mortisers are specifically designed for creating perfect joinery, making them a valuable asset for any DIY enthusiast. So, let's get started. Number 5. XMSJ Woodworking Benchtop Drill Press. The bench drill press is a robust and efficient tool designed to meet the needs of DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers alike. With its high-performance capabilities, this drill press is ideal for various drilling tasks, ensuring accuracy and ease of use. Drill type. This model is a hammer drill, known for its power and precision in heavy-duty tasks. It's suitable for woodworking and other materials, offering enhanced control and reliability. Power source and voltage. The drill operates on an electric power source with a voltage range of 110 volts minus 240 volt, making it versatile for use in various regions. Speed options. Equipped with 5 adjustable speeds ranging from 550 RPM to 2,500 RPM, users can select the appropriate speed for different materials and drilling requirements. This flexibility enhances its functionality in diverse woodworking tasks. Max spindle speed and chuck capacity. The drill press achieves a maximum spindle speed of 2,500 RPM and supports chuck capacities of 13 mm and 16 mm, providing versatility for different bit sizes. Spindle travel and taper. With a spindle travel of 50 mm, 2 inches, and taper options of JT33/B16, this machine offers precise drilling depth, improving accuracy for various projects. Compact table and base. The drill press has a table size of 164*162 mm and a base size of 268*190 mm, providing a stable surface for workpieces. Despite its compact size, the machine has a working height of 50 mm, making it efficient for small to medium-sized projects. Durable build. The column diameter of 46 mm and the overall machine height of 580 mm ensure durability and stability during operation. This XMSJ 5-speed benchtop drill press is a versatile and durable tool, perfect for DIY projects, woodworking, and other applications requiring precision and control. With its adjustable speeds and compact design, it provides a professional-grade drilling experience. The next is Number 4. CNCEST Benchtop Drill Press. The Benchtop Drill Press stand is a high-quality, mini-electric wood hole drilling machine designed for both commercial and home use. This 340 watts drilling machine is built to deliver precision and efficiency in drilling tasks, making it an excellent addition to any workshop or DIY setup. High-quality construction, featuring a full copper wire motor and a sturdy cast iron base. This benchtop drill press ensures durability and smooth operation. The low breakage rate of drill bits enhances the machine's long service life. User-friendly operation. The desktop design, combined with the easy-to-use handle operation, makes it more convenient and time-saving compared to handheld drills. It offers a stable and efficient drilling experience. 3-speed adjustable. The drill press comes with a 3-speed adjustment feature for precise drilling. The first gear operates at 1,800 to 8,000 R/min. The second gear at 2,200 to 10,000 R/min, and the third gear at 2,600 to 12,000 R/min. This allows for accurate speed control, enhancing both efficiency and accuracy. Easy to install. With detailed instructions and a complete set of parts, the machine is simple to assemble, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users. Low noise. The copper motor design minimizes noise during operation, providing a quieter work environment. Compact structure. Despite its small size, this mini benchtop drill press offers the same functionality as larger models. Its compact design makes it ideal for saving space in workshops or on workbenches. Wide applicability. This versatile drill press can be used for drilling wood, plastic, resin, aluminum, and other non-rigid materials. It's perfect for commercial applications or DIY home projects like furniture installation. The CNCEST Benchtop Drill Press is a reliable, compact, and powerful tool for precise drilling tasks, ensuring efficiency and ease of use in various projects. The next is number 3. Tungfull 950 watts / 1390 watts industrial mini bench drill. The Great Precision Mini Bench Drill is a high-performance drilling machine designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This variable-speed benchtop drill press offers precision and versatility, making it perfect for woodworking and other drilling tasks. With its industrial-grade build and advanced features, it ensures efficiency and accuracy for all your drilling needs. Rated voltage 220 volts / 50 Hz. The Tungfull Mini Bench Drill operates on standard voltage, ensuring compatibility with most power systems. Powerful 950 watts motor. Equipped with a 950 watts motor, this drill press offers plenty of power for precision drilling, ensuring consistent performance across various materials. Variable speed control. The drill provides a no-load speed range of 500 to 2,600 RPM, allowing users to adjust the speed according to the material being drilled. This versatility makes it suitable for wood, plastic, and even light metals. Maximum stroke and drilling thickness. The 7 cm stroke of the main column allows for deeper drilling, while the drill can handle a maximum material thickness of 13.5 cm, ensuring it is capable of handling larger projects with ease. Drilling diameter. With a drilling diameter range of 1.5–13 mm, this machine accommodates a wide range of drill bits, making it adaptable for various tasks. Stable and durable design. The drill's 4.5 cm column diameter ensures stability during operation, while its sturdy build contributes to long-lasting durability. The Tungfull 950 watts / 1390 watts precision mini bench drill is a powerful, efficient, and versatile machine that provides precision for detailed woodworking and other drilling applications. Its adjustable speed, high drilling capacity, and robust design make it a must-have tool for any serious craftsman or DIY enthusiast. Whether you're working on small home projects or large-scale woodworking, this drill press will help you achieve accurate and reliable results. The next is number 2. VEVOR 1300 watts / 1400 watts electric magnetic drill press. The drill press is a top-tier drilling machine designed for professionals who require exceptional power and precision. With its advanced features, this magnetic drill is perfect for demanding industrial applications, offering superior performance, security, and versatility. Top-level performance. Powered by a robust 1,300 watts or 1,400 watts copper motor, the drill operates at 810 RPM, delivering powerful torque that enables drilling through the toughest materials. It can bore up to 40 mm in diameter and 50 mm in depth, making it suitable for a wide range of industrial tasks. Security and durability. Safety is paramount in the VEVOR magnetic drill press. The machine is equipped with an overload protection system to prevent overheating and injury. A cooling system ensures rapid heat dissipation, preventing damage during extended use. Additionally, its titanium magnesium alloy guide rail enhances the machine's durability by providing corrosion and wear resistance, significantly extending its service life. Robust magnetic force. The drill press features an incredibly strong electromagnetic base that generates 2,922 lbf / 13,000 newtons of magnetic force, ensuring stability while drilling at any angle. This pure iron base secures the drill, minimizing movement for precise results. User-friendly design. A millimeter scale on the machine frame allows users to easily measure the distance between the drill bit and the material, ensuring accuracy. The ergonomic handle and 3 extended cranks make operation comfortable, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Wide applications. This versatile magnetic drill is ideal for various applications, including home improvement, industrial installations, steel fabrication, shipbuilding, railway manufacturing, and even power plant construction. The VEVOR 1300 watts / 1400 watts magnetic drill press is the perfect solution for those who need a reliable, powerful, and user-friendly drilling machine for tough jobs. The next is number 1. ALLSOME 400 watts brushless Benchtop Drill Press. The Benchtop Drill Press BG 516809 is a compact yet powerful drilling machine designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professional renovation teams. It offers high efficiency, precision, and ease of use, making it a valuable tool for various drilling tasks. Powerful 400 watts brushless motor. The drill press is equipped with a 400 watts motor that delivers consistent power, ensuring smooth and efficient drilling. The brushless design enhances durability and reduces the need for frequent maintenance. Max drilling diameter 13 millimeters. Capable of drilling up to 13 millimeters in diameter, this drill press is suitable for a range of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. Its versatility makes it ideal for home projects, renovations, and light industrial tasks. Adjustable speed. The machine features a no-load speed of up to 2,500 RPM, allowing you to control the speed depending on the material and task. This adaptability ensures precision in every job. Support for speed and depth display. The drill press is equipped with both speed and depth displays, making it easier to monitor and adjust the drilling process for greater accuracy. Laser and light support. For enhanced precision, the machine includes a laser guide that helps align the drill accurately. It also comes with a built-in light for better visibility, especially in dimly lit workspaces. Low noise operation. Despite its power, the ALLSOME drill press operates with minimal noise, ensuring a comfortable and quiet working environment. Lightweight and compact. Weighing only 12 kilograms, the machine is easy to move and set up, making it suitable for small workshops or portable use. The ALLSOME 400 watts brushless benchtop drill press is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly tool that combines power with precision. Ideal for any drilling project, so this is the best option for you to buy.